Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to remove memory card and battery from SONY A6400. Let's begin. Okay, first we want to take our camera and rotate it so we can face our for example face, which is right here by the way. And now we want to flip over it and probably flip it like this so we can see this slot here. As you can see, this is for the SD card and also for the lithium battery. Now we want to switch it from lock to open, just like that. It will open the hatch, and here we have our memory card and here we have our battery. In order to remove memory card, we first just have to click it like this, and now it will be easy to take off. So now we can, as you can see, all we have to do is simply click on it. Now we can easily remove it. And the battery is somewhat similar, but we can't really click on it. We have to take this blue thingy, let's say, and move it to the left. So we do this, and now battery is also popped out. Now we can remove it freely without any issues. In order to close the hatch, we simply close it and switch it from open to lock. And we have successfully removed our lithium battery and also the memory card. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.